Welcome back. We have learned how to select columns and how to select rows. In real-world analysis, you often need to select a specific rectangular subset of your data, a block of several rows and several columns. This is achieved by combining the row and column selection methods using the .loc or .iloc accessors. 1. Setup. Custom Index DataFrame. We first create a small 3 by 4 DataFrame with custom labels for both rows, R1, R2, R3, and columns, C1 through C4. This allows us to clearly demonstrate the label-based and position-based access. 2. Selecting subsets with .loc. To select a rectangular subset, we use the syntax df.loc, row selector, column selector. The row and column selectors are separated by a comma. We can use slicing for the rows, say R2 to R3, and a list for the columns C1 and C3. Remember, .loc slicing is inclusive, so R3 is included. 3. Selecting subsets with .iloc. Similarly, .iloc uses integer positions. We can use a list for the rows 0 and 2 and slicing for the columns 1:4. Remember, .iloc slicing is exclusive, so position 4 is not included. This syntax is extremely powerful for extracting any part of your data table. To summarize, the combination of row and column selectors allows precise subsetting. Our next lecture 36.13, Query for Data. See you there.